Today I'm going to be showing you how to get Euro Truck Simulator 2 PC version. It is a pretty easy thing to do, so let's get started. First, open the Steam web application. Then you have to log in or create an account if you don't have. But if you have an account, then just simply log in. After that, type Euro Truck Simulator 2 and select the first one. Then scroll down and download the demo version, or you can also buy Euro Truck Simulator 2 for 10.84 US dollars. You can easily download the Euro Truck Simulator 2 on PC by using Steam application.